Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if you're coming across an error with the Minecraft launcher that says that it was unable to update the Minecraft runtime environment. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing is first, I recommend making sure your version of Java is in fact up to date. So go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. I'm going to open up Google Chrome for today's tutorial, but you're welcome to open up any web browser you prefer. And go ahead and search for Java. One of the best results should be for java.com. Go ahead and open that up. Again, get it directly through Java and select the Java download button and select the agree and start free download. Again, we're getting it directly from Java's website here. No reason to go to a third party for this download. But anyway, go ahead and select the setup file to run it. And if you receive a user account control prompt, select yes, and you can close out of the web browser at this time. If you receive a Java setup wizard, select install. And it should say you have successfully installed Java. Go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And hopefully that should have resolved the problem for you at this point. If you're still experiencing an issue, something else we can look into as well would be opening up the search menu and type in Windows Firewall. Best results should come back a Windows Defender Firewall right above Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Select where it says Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and then select Change Settings. If you see Minecraft listed in here, again Minecraft, you would checkmark both the private and public boxes to make sure that both are checkmarked in here. And then if you had to make any changes at all, you go ahead and select OK to save it. And that's pretty much it. You can also attempt to re-download the Minecraft launcher, and perhaps there's an issue with that. So you can go ahead and try that as well. But hopefully that should have been able to resolve the Minecraft launcher unable to update the Minecraft runtime environment error message that you were experiencing on your computer. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.